let's start shares and dividend. Last lecture. Question number 18. બધા સમ કરાવું છું 18 to 25. Question number 18 જે ડાઉટ છે. Ashish bought Ashish bought 4500 यानी 4500 shares, rupees 10 shares, paying 12% per annum. He sold them then when the price rose to rupees 23 and invested the proceeds in rupees 25 shares, paying 10% per annum at rupees 18. Find the change in annual income. Change in annual income. શું કરે છે? He bought one kind of the share. When the price of the share rose, he sold it and the proceeds is invested in another kind of shares. Right? Yani in the middle we have to make the block of proceeds. Bought 4500 yani number of shares is equal to 4500 shares. કારણ કે રૂપીસ એવું કંઈ છે નહીં, રાઈટ? રૂપીસ 10 શેર यानी फेस वैल्यू 10 rupees. Paying 12% dividend यानी dividend percentage is 12%. And sold them when the price rose to rupees 23. Market value નથી આપી દીધી, ઇન્વેસ્ટમેન્ટ નથી કરવાની કારણ કે નંબર ઓફ શેર્સ આપી દીધે છે. ઓકે, તો આપણે જે આપી દીધા છે એ બોક્સ નહીં બનાવીએ. ઇન્કમ ઓન વન શેર 12% of face value. 12 upon 100 into face value is 10. એટલે કે 1.2 rupees. Total number of shares is given 4500, so no need to find it. And total annual income, always 3 line, nothing else. 1.2 into 4500, 1.2 into 4500, 5400 rupees is annual income. Okay, when the price rose to rupees 23 yani proceeds, when price rose to rupees 23, he sold all his 4500 shares. So proceeds he get equal to 4500 into 23 यानी 4500 into 23 103,500 यानी 1,03,500 rupees is the proceeds which he invests in another kinds of the shares. Now the total investment equal to 1,03,500 rupees. Total this much money that he get from the proceeds is invested in another kind. Invested the proceed in rupees 25 shares, यानी face value 25. Paying 10% dividend at 18, यानी market value 18 rupees. And dividend percentage is 10%. Very easy, यार. 3 line लखो. First line is income on one share equal to 10% of face value. यानी 10 upon 100 into face value is 25. 25 fours are 5 by 2. That is 2.5 rupees income on one share. Total number of shares not given. We have to find total number of shares is total investment upon investment on a one share यानी 18. समझ में आवे? આપણે બહુ વાર એવું કર્યું. is 5750 shares લીધા એને. Okay. Total annual income 5750 times 2.5. एक शेयर હોય तो 2.5 रुपीस इनकम, तो 5750 હોય तो how much income into 2.5 is 14375. 14375 rupees is annual income. Then you have to find the change in annual income. Initially the 5400 was annual income, now the 14375, then 5400, then change in income or income increased by 14,375 minus 5400. The answer is 8975 rupees is your answer. Question number 18. Question number 19. Amit owns 1500. 1500, that is the number of shares. 1500 rupees 25 shares. Rupees 25 shares of a company which declare the dividend percentage is equal to 14%. He sells the share. બધામાં કોપી જ કરવાની છે. sells the shares at 40, at rupees 40 each, and invested the proceeds in 8% rupees 100 shares at rupees 80. What is the change in annual income, or what is the change in annual dividend? Change in income. Xerox. Change in income. You have to find. Now the first kind, proceeds, and the second kind. He holds 1500 of shares of one company. Then the price rose. He sold all the shares and invested in another kinds of the share. Then you have to compare the change in income, right? And the first kind owns 1500, yani total number of shares given 1500 shares. Face value 25 shares, dividend percentage 14, यानी market value is not given because that is not needed, because number of shares is given. Face value is equal to 25 rupees, dividend percentage is equal to 14%. Okay, now 3 line छापी मारो. Income on one share is equal to 14% of 25, 14% of face value, 14 upon 100 into 25, 4s are 7 by 2, that is 3.5 rupees or 7 by 2. Total number of shares, second line, total number of shares is equal to 1500 shares is given. Total annual income, total number of shares into income on one share, यानी 7 by 2, 7 by 2 भी कर रहे हैं, 2 2 कट करो, 750, 0, 5,250 rupees is annual income. He sells the share at rupees 40. He sells the shares at rupees 40. So proceed he get equal to 40 into how many shares? 1500. 60,000 rupees is proceeds which invest in another kind. So total investment is 60,000 rupees. Invested the proceeds in 8%, that is a dividend. Face value 100, market value 80. Face value 100, market value 80 rupees, and dividend percentage is equal to 8% is given. Now 3 line, say income on one share equal to 8% of face value, that is 8 rupees because 100 rupees है. Total number of shares must be whole number. Total investment upon investment on one share, 60,000 rupees upon 80. 60,000 upon 80, 125 6 are 750 shares. Okay, and total annual income, total number of shares into income on a one share into 8 is 6,000 rupees. Initially the income was 5,250, now the income is 6,000. The income increased by 750 rupees. 6,000 minus 5,250. तो यहाँ बनेगा सब्ट्रैक्शन करवानो. आंसर इज 750 rupees is the change in income or income increased. Okay. Question number 20. चलो ना પછી એક લેસન પતશે ને પછી આપણે નવું કંઈ નહીં કરાવીએ, ખાલી તમારા ડાઉટ્સ સોલ્વ કરીશ, રાઈટ? ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 20. Vimal sold a certain number of खबर नहीं, certain number of shares of rupees 20, 8% dividend at rupees and invested sold કરે છે, આ sold કરે છે and invested the proceeds in invested the proceeds in rupees 10 shares paying 12% dividend at 50% premium. If the annual dividend income decreased by, if annual dividend decreased by 120, find the number of shares sold by Vimal. Number of shares sold by Vimal. Okay. Vimal sold certain number of shares at rupees 20. Sold કરે છે, આ sold. Vimal sold certain number of shares એની પાસે હતા at rupees 20 and invested in another kind. Okay. Vimal sold a certain number of shares at rupees 120. એને કેટલામાં લીધા હતા એ નથી કીધું, એને કેટલામાં વેચ્યા એ કીધું છે. Okay, certain number of shares. Let he has number of shares equal to x shares છે એની પાસે, x number of shares of rupees 20. The face value, sorry, he sold a certain number of shares of rupees 20, 8% dividend 18 rupees માં વેચે છે, sorry 18 rupees માં વેચે છે. Vimal sold a certain number of shares of rupees 20, 8% dividend at 18 rupees માં વેચે છે. So face value 20 rupees and dividend percentage is equal to 8%. તો આપણે ત્રણેય લાઈન લખી નાખીએ. Income on one share 8% of face value એટલે 20, 8 upon 100 into 20, 0 0 cancel, 8 2s are 16, 1.6 rupees income on one share. Total number of shares x shares that I suppose. So total annual income (1.6) into x. One share will go 1.6 rupees income. So I have x share. The total income is 1.6 into x. Rupees is total income. Vimal sold at 18 rupees. 18 રૂપિયાના ભાવે વેચી દે છે. Okay. So proceeds 18 rupees ના ભાવે, but number of shares is x. એટલા proceeds થયા. એક શેર વેચે તો 18 રૂપીસ મળે, પણ એની પાસે તો x શેર છે, so 18x. So total investment is 18x rupees. And invested the proceeds and rupees 10 share. Face value is equal to 10 rupees. Paying 12% dividend percentage is 12%. At 50% premium yani market value is equal to face value plus 50% of face value. Premium એટલે plus price rise, 10 plus 50% of face value એટલે 10, 52s are 2 5s are આમ બી 10 ના 50% 5 થાય તો 50% premium मतलब 5 rupees premium. So market value is equal to 15 rupees. 15 rupees. Now 3 line. Income on one share equal to 12% of 10. 12% of 10. Any 12 upon 100 into 10. Any 1.2 rupees. Total number of shares is equal to total investment upon investment on a one share, that is the market value. Shares thaya. And total income, total annual income. Income on a one share into total number of shares are rupees total annual income. But the total annual income decreased by 120. આ ઓછી છે અને આ વધારે છે તો એમાંથી માઈનસ કરો. But as per the given information 1.6x minus 1.2 18x 1.2 into 18x upon 15 is 120. The difference is 120 is given in the question. 120. Age nothing else, same 3 lines. Age 3 લાઈનો છે. ઓકે, હવે આના પોઈન્ટ નીચે જાય, આના બી પોઈન્ટ નીચે જાય. 3 5s are 3 4s are. અહીંયા 10 છે. 5 LCM લઈ લો. 5 LCM બને છે 5. 80x upon 50 minus नीचे तो 50 છે. 72x is equal to 120. Okay, 50 LCM. So 80 minus 72 is 8x. 8x upon 50 equal to 120. Hence x is equal to 120 into 50 by 8. 8 नीचे. 4 2s are 4 3s are 15s are 750 are the number of shares. Number of shares is 750 are the number of shares. Okay, x હોય તો x માં જવાનું આગળ, પણ એ સેમ લાઈન 3 લાઈન જ આવે. nothing new in this chapter. 3 લાઈનમાં આખું ચેપ્ટર નામે છે. Number 21. A company declare a dividend of 8% on rupees 100 shares. Atul buy such share and gets 10% on his investment. In rate of return. At what price he buy each share? At what price he buy each shares? Okay. Rate of return is given. Rate of return equal to 10% is given. Rate of return is 10%. A company declares a dividend of 8% on rupees 100 shares. It is given the face value equal to 100 rupees, dividend percentage is equal to 8%. So dividend or income on one share, 8% of face value, यानी 8 rupees income on one share. तो at what price he buy? आपने selling and buying at the market value. Market value I have to find. Now what is the rate of return? Rate of return चलो મારા પોકેટમાંથી જાય એક શેર માટે પૈસા, એક શેર લેવા માટે મેં મુझे પૈસા આપું to purchase or to buy a one share, the amount that I invest is the market value. So investment on one share, or you can use total investment, but આ ક્વેશ્ચનમાં તો total investment આપેલું નથી. Investment on a one share and income on a one share. Into 100. Income on one share is 8 rupees. Rate of return is 10%. Investment on a one share, we invest as per the one market value of a one share, that is the market value into 100. So market value equal to 8 upon 10 into 100. Market value ऊपर 10 नीचे. So market value is 80 rupees. यानी at what price he buy each share? Then he buy each share at 80 rupees. Number. At what price should 10% rupees 25 shares be quoted any market price quoted when money worth मतलब rate of return 8%. આપણા મનીના વર્થ થાય 8% આપણને મળે. સેમ આગળનો કર્યું તો એને જેમ જ રેટ ઓફ રિટર્ન, બીકોઝ 2% આપે છે ને, તો સ્ટાર્ટિંગમાં percentage is dividend. રેટ ઓફ રિટર્ન 8% rate of return. Face value is 25 rupees. Face value is 25 rupees. 10% dividend. Dividend percentage is 10%. At what price should quoted એટલે market value કયા price માં એને લીધું હોય. Okay, so income on one share 10% of face value, any 10 upon 100 into 25, 0 cancel, 25 by 10, 2.5 rupees income on one share. Now rate of return is investment on a one share અને એમાંથી ઇન્વેસ્ટમાંથી આવે કેટલા, તો ઇન્કમ ઓન વન શેર into 100. Rate of return is 8%. Income on one share is 2.5. Investment on a one share, that is the market value, that is the quoted. So market value is 2.5 upon 8 into 100. A point છે એના નીચે 0 cancel. and a half 4 and a half 5. 25 5s are 125 by 4. 4 3s are 12. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 5s are 31.25. At what price should this share quoted? Any 31 plus 31.25 rupees માં જે price છે એ market value. Number 24. 24 and 25, last two sums. number. How much should, yani total investment, how much should a man invest in rupees 25 shares selling at rupees 36 to obtain an annual income rupees 1500 if the dividend percentage is 12%. चलो શું ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું કીધું છે? હાઉ મચ શુડ અ મેન ઇન્વેસ્ટ, યાની ટોટલ ઇન્વેસ્ટમેન્ટ. કેટલી ઇન્ફોર્મેશન આપી છે? હાઉ મચ 25 shares selling at a 36 rupees. Okay, so face value is 25 rupees, dividend percentage is 12%, market value is equal to 36 rupees. Got it? 25 shares at 36, yani 25 face value, 36 market value, dividend is 12%, and total annual income is 1500. Total annual income 150. Third line is given. Okay, third line is given. First, total annual income is given. तो ત્યાંથી ચાલુ કરી દઈએ. Total annual income equal to 1500 is given. तो कोई भी सपोज કરી શકો તમે. ओके, पहली लाइन શું હતી? पहली लाइन શું હતી? Income on one share. Income on one share equal to 12% of face value. Yani 12 upon 100 into face value is 25. Okay, 25 4s are 4 3s are, so 3 rupees. 3 rupees. Total number of shares हमारे पास है नहीं, तो ये रखा. Let total number of shares is x shares છે हमारे पास. तो बीजू तो मैं सपोज कर लीधું. Total number of shares x shares છે. Okay, so total annual income is 1500 equal to કેવી રીતે આવે? total number of shares into income on one share. समझ में आया? income on one share into total number of shares. So x is 1500 by 3. So x यानी total number of shares is 500 shares છે. ओके, तो કેટલા ઇન્વેસ્ટ કરવા પડે છે? ટોટલ નંબર ઓફ શેર્સ ઇઝ 500 શેર્સ. તો કેટલા ઇન્વેસ્ટ કરવા પડે? માર્કેટ વેલ્યુ પ્રમાણે હોય ને, માર્કેટ વેલ્યુ પ્રમાણે હોય. એક શેર લેવો હોય તો 36 રૂપીસ ઇન્વેસ્ટ કરવા પડે. તમારે તો 500 શેર્સ છે. હાઉ મચ શુડ ધ મેન ઇન્વેસ્ટ? ધ ટોટલ ઇન્વેસ્ટમેન્ટ ઇઝ equal to 500 into 36. समझ में? If I want to purchase one share, then the 36 rupees I have to pay, but I purchase 500 shares, so 500 into 36. 18,000 rupees is the total investment. 18,000 rupees is the total investment. સમજમાં આવ્યું? આપણી રીતે કરવાનું. મેં તો આ ચેપ્ટર ક્યારેય ટેક્સ્ટબુક માંથી જોયું નહીં હોય કે કેવી રીતે કરે છે. એ લોકો મેં કરતા આપણી મેથડ એકદમ ઈઝી છે. નંબર 25 and last 25. By investing rupees 11,440 in a company, paying 10% dividend an annual income of rupees 520 rupees is received. What is the market value of each of rupees 50 shares? समझ में आया? चलो two information आपी छे. What is the market value of each of rupees 50 shares? यानी face value 50. How to find market value? Total investment 11,400 and 10% dividend and total annual income is given. Okay. So कितनी वस्तु आपी छे? Total investment 11,440 rupees. Face value 50 rupees. Face value each of 50 rupees. You have to find its market value. Market value x rupees છે. લઈ લો જે ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું છે x rupees. Dividend percentage is dividend 10% dividend. Dividend percentage is 10%. And total annual income 520. Then the third line is given. Total annual income. Total annual income is 520 rupees. These are the informations given in the question. Now 3 line, as usual, 3 line લખવાનું. The first line is income on one share is equal to 10% of face value. 10% of face value 50. Yani 5 rupees. That is 5 rupees. Income on one share. Now total number of shares. Second line. Total number of shares is total investment upon investment on a one share, that is the market value. 11,440 by X shares. Total annual income. Our multiplication, yani total number of shares into income on one share. But the total annual income is given 520. So compare it. 520 11,440 into 5 into upon x. X ऊपर जाए 520 नीचे आवे. 0 0 cancel. And simplification करो. The answer is market value 1144 into 5 divided by 52 is 110. So x is 110 rupees. And what is x? X is a market value. That is the question. Okay, here is the end of this chapter. હવે આપણે chapter number 8 કરીશું, factor theorem.